Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to take one live trade and will explain you in detail about my trading strategy. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you follow us because we upload daily videos on live trading so that you can learn as well as apply it in your live trading session. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we will try to analyze the chart. So you can see that the chart analysis says clearly that the trend is downtrend, the major trend is downtrend, but one thing which is very important to be focused is that the market is moving very strongly in the downward direction and I cannot see proper retracements. So we can say that market will going to retrace in the near future. So we will try to take a trade in the opposite direction, which is in the upward direction. Why? Because if market moves with a price action, it has to release the pressure, and I can see that this is clearly a pressure market. So we will try to draw some levels, try to find things that can work and then can help us to take a trade. So as you can see, market is strongly moving in the downward direction, but for me, I can say that there are 70% chances that the market will start moving in the upward direction for some time because it has to retrace for some time. So I will draw some levels, these strong levels, which I guess will going to work. So as you can see, this is okay. I guess we have a trading setup. So I have placed my trade. Now let me draw the levels, because I guess without even drawing the levels I have took the trade. So let me draw the levels first. The psychology behind, I will explain everything. So as you can see, market was moving strongly in the downward direction, and for me, you can see market was like struck at that support level. This is a support zone. Let me draw the complete zone. Okay, so you can see that this is a zone of support level. Market tried breaking it but was not able to. Why? Because there is pressure in the market. Those who entered in the market like here or something here, they has to exit, and this is the point where they are going to exit. Why? Because market was not able to retrace to release pressure. So that's why there must be a huge amount of pressure, and this support zone was strong because you can see market tried several times to break it, was not able to because the volume was very less, and we got a good Marubozu candlestick pattern at the support level, and that's why I took a 4-minute trade. Now let's wait for the result, and after the result I will explain you again about this trading setup, and hopefully if I get an opportunity I will try to take one more trade if I get one. So let's wait for the result, and after the result I will explain you. So I'm going against the trend in this trade, but there is a method, there is a psychology which I'm using because market has to retrace for some time, and you can see here that the market was moving very strongly in the downward direction without even retracing. So that's not how market behaves. It has to retrace, it has to like correct itself, and that's why I took a trade here, because I can see the trend line was, this resistance has been broken by this candle, and at the support level you can find a strong Marubozu candlestick pattern. And let me remove all of it, and if you like draw a recent resistance, this is the recent resistance. Let me make it bold. So this was the recent resistance, and it's been broken by this strong Marubozu candlestick, and that's why I took the trade, because I was expecting a good amount of like retracement. As I told you before, even before taking the trade, that there are 70% chances that the market will retrace, and you can see it's a healthy retracement. The volume is quite high here, and that's why I took this trade. and I guess we are going to get the result in the next 1 minute. So till then wait, and after this trade finish, I will explain one more time, and after that we will try to take one more trade if possible. If I get an opportunity in the next 4 to 5 minutes, I will try to take one more trade also. So let's wait, because it is going to finish in the next 25 seconds. And you can see the volume is very good. Why? Because you can see that the market was moving strongly in the downward direction, and we got a breakout as well as a candlestick pattern forming at a support level. It's a key support level. The market was respecting this zone, and market tried several times to break it but was not able to. And so you can see we have won this trade. Now let me again explain you the trading setup. So first of all, as soon as I saw the chart, I thought that there will be a retracement reversal trade opportunity coming soon. Why? Because market was moving strongly in the downward direction, and this is that you can note. This is one thing that I have learned by analyzing the chart, that whenever you see very strong movement in a particular direction, market will reverse for sure if market hit like a specific level, or can say a good support or resistance. Like in this case, you can see market was moving very strongly in the downward direction. There was no retracement, and we got a support zone here. Market was respecting it, and this is also a whole number level. You can see 0.8500. So it's a key level also, and a strong level, and market was in pressure. So to release pressure, it has to reverse, and that's why I was sure that market will reverse for some times in the near future. And as soon as I draw this trend line, I found out that this is a strong candlestick pattern forming at a key support level. So there was two things. First of all, the trend was strongly going in the downward direction, so it has to release pressure. Second thing, I got a breakout with a strong candlestick pattern, and the candlestick pattern was also formed at a key support level, which was also a whole number level. That's why these levels works very good. And if you don't know what are whole number level, you can find the video in the playlist section. You can understand what are my views about the whole numbers also. So this is a key level, and this was also a key level. It's been broken by a strong candlestick. The volume was also good. The previous candlestick was weak and the momentum was dying because market tried several times to break it but was not able to, and that's why we took the trade. And you can see it was a clear win. The market didn't even form a red candle for the next 5 minutes. So it shows that our analysis was up to the point and was correct. So one most important thing that you can take from this video is that whenever you see very strong movement, you always wait for the retracement, because there must be a retracement to release pressure. And the same thing happened here. I also used key levels and candlestick analysis, but the price action was the most important thing, because to complete the price action, because market travels with price action, and I can say that there was no proper price action when market started moving downward from this point till this point. So you can see now it is almost like 40% retracement. Why? Because it was in very high pressure, and to release it has to reverse. And you can see this particular retracement. And I also used the same principle in the video day before yesterday, in which I was not able to take the trade because the retracement was so strong that the market retraces like 110%. So I use the same technique here, but in that video I was not able to take the trade because the opportunities was gone and I didn't find any strong breakout. But in this case you can see we got the key levels, a good candlestick pattern, the price action was there, the momentum was there, and that's why we took this trade. So let's wait for the next 2 minutes, and if we get an opportunity we will try to take a trade. Otherwise we will going to finish this video. So let me remove these levels because they are not of any use now. So as you can see, market is moving very strongly in the upward direction. Now if you want to take up like a trade in the downward direction, it will be risky. Why? Because you can see the momentum, it's very strong, and the retracement phase is not going to over like in the next 2 or 3 minutes for me, because this moment is very strong. So going against this momentum will be a risky thing. Now if you want, can we go with a trade in the upward direction? Why? There is no chance that we can place a trade in the upward direction. Why? Because you can see that these levels, these support level, these previous support levels are now going to become a resistance. So there will be a constant fight between the resistance and the momentum. The traders who are taking this market from like this position to this, so there will be a fight in between. So if you want to involve in the fight, you can place your trade. Otherwise I can say that by analyzing this chart, this particular condition, I can say that this is a very risky position to place any trade, because two factors are very against each other. This resistance is hindering the path of the market and is pushing the market to go down, and the momentum, the buyers are pushing the market to go up. So there will be a fight in between, and we can expect that there will be some consolidation with some or little price action here and there, and after a breakout the market will continue to move in a particular direction. It may be a breakout from the resistance or a continuation of the downward direction. So I guess we cannot find any opportunity in this case. So I will finish this video here, and if you find value in this video, make sure you follow us so that you can learn from our upcoming videos. And if you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.